70K, that's like 10 million yen. Yeah, yeah. Might just go trap in Japan. Yeah, I got these shoes from Japan. Might just come back with like 200 pairs. Yeah, might sell that shit to the homie back home and come back with like 200 bands. Young nigga rich like a zillion air. Yeah, yeah.
Сөздің пүлі мөт, яла ағырды я биті Таға яқта бонеті чепімді мамасыты Бары бір көпік еді но киті емо киті Келі долы халта ат долы қара киті Оны нүкті чүккен біліп ала нок фиті Бұлың еденлері easy yo creativity Дыды таңамады менді болмы бары бір ити Чағыр яным карби yok relativity Кәмітті бұрық дегені білін хабары yok Бұлырың нәчі оқың дегенені Беденімі фирі еліні берені Орта бармақ яғдайымы бегенені Кәбір оğlunları çalıştım қилерің дерегіне Майка алып her elime Дегдім битің her yerine Gelім үткіт долы олы бұлыр ері ені Бұлың дейін сөздері ері keredinge Dava gelim o bu dünyanın çarkı keredinge Bitch with like 70K, that's like 10 million yen. Yeah, yeah. Might just go trap in Japan. Yeah, I got these shoes from Japan. Might just come back with like 200 pairs. Yeah, might sell that shit to the homie back home and come back with like 200 bands. Young nigga rich like a zillion air. Rich nigga mad cause it's
Internet Pablo, play this shit in Pablo. Came with an old and feel my aura. Worship, live every day like I'm the Han the side, a lot of clara on the fire. Came with the names too cheap, I'm done. Can't see my speed, my cascade. Office too lit, telegram chat. Day for the network, not for the chat. We split out of 50 on top. Self-employed until she got. Think we are lucky, better work that take our time. Now we came to the done. Watchman till get chicken tucky. Illegal stuff on my phone, we're like Spider-Man giving the net. Yeah, yeah. GTA stopping, we're finding another from Indian pay. Yeah, yeah. See you on the table, racks more than your teacher's salary. Yeah, yeah, yeah. They say money and happiness, I'll never be a broke Berdiyev. Yeah, yeah.
Came in this bitch with like 70K, that's like 10 million yen. Yeah, yeah. Might just go trap in Japan. Yeah, I got these shoes from Japan. Might just come back with like 200 pairs. Yeah, might sell that shit to the homie back home and come back with like 200 bands. Young nigga rich like a zillion air. Rich nigga mad cause this bitch up in here. Yeah, yeah. Woo. Got a bando in Japan. I'm pulling strings like a banjo in here. I retired to Orlando like yeah, yeah, yeah. I got it straight from Japan, yeah. Came out that bitch with a plan. Flip it, get money as quick as you can.